Vice Minister of Finance and the Secretary of State for Equality today hosted a dialogue forum on the Timor-Leste 2026 Gender Budget Statement. The forum welcomed Australia's Ambassador for Gender Equality, Ms. Michelle O'Byrne, as a special guest. The Gender Budget Statement of 2026 is a key national initiative aimed at ensuring that public funds are allocated fairly and benefit all citizens, women, men, girls, and boys. The Ministry of Finance highlighted its support to the commitments for sustainable public finance that integrates gender-sensitive outcomes, planning, budgeting, and expenditure, and inclusion aligned with the strategic development priorities of the government of Timor-Leste and public financial management. The Vice Minister Regina stated that gender-responsive budgeting is central to our efforts to ensure that public resources deliver inclusive and sustainable economic outcomes, and the government of Timor-Leste remains fully committed to advancing this approach in line with national priorities. Together, let us secure that our national budget will remain as a mechanism that is strong, honest, and inclusive, and equal to Timor-Leste, where girls and boys will feel and reflect on our political program and national priority. The Secretary of State, Ms. Carvalho, highlighted the importance of collaboration across government institutions, noting that through strong cooperation across institutions, as we see at this event today, we designed and implemented the state budget in ways that meaningfully address gender inequalities and support women's empowerment.
Every allocation reflects priorities, values, and choices. Too often, traditional budgeting overlooks the unique challenges faced by women and girls. This perpetuates inequalities in access to education, healthcare, employment, social protection, and gender-based GRV changes this by embedding a gender lens in every stage of the budget cycle: planning, execution, monitoring, and evaluation.
And lastly, speaking at the forum, Australian Ambassador for Gender Equality, Ms. O'Byrne, emphasized Timor-Leste's leadership in driving these reforms, stating, "We recognize and commend Timor-Leste's leadership in driving gender-responsive budgeting, and Australia remains a committed partner, providing targeted support through ProSivu to strengthen systems, data, and accountability."
Gender equality is not treated as a peripheral issue. It is not seen as a side issue in Australia. It is a central issue to our national economic advancement. We take it seriously in every single thing that we do. It's recognised as a national interest priority because it contributes to peace, to prosperity, to stability, and to economic strength.
This dialogue reaffirmed the shared commitment of Australia and Timor-Leste to advancing gender equality and ensuring that public budgets respond to the diverse needs of all citizens.